Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amran Atiki and in this video I'm going to explain for you NFTs, where does NFTs comes from and how we can buy it, how we can analyze it and how we can make money with NFTs. So in this video we have a full review of NFTs. You have to stay up to the end to see the full information about. So let's see how it can be useful for you all. Okay, let's go. First of all, if you open your browser and search for NFT, you will see the answer of Google is non-fungible tokens or unique cryptographic tokens that exist on a blockchain and cannot be replaced. It is completely perfect answer. NFT is taken from three words: non-fungible tokens. It means it is not nobody's able to copy these NFTs. It is created by humans, by peoples, by everyone's, I don't know whoever, but it is recorded on a blockchain. Which, if you want to copy that, it will find you and it will say you know what is copy of that or that NFTs, and you cannot copy any NFT. And the biggest place market of the NFTs are OpenSea. You can search it again on Google and see here the official site of OpenSea. After opening this, it needs, I think, for VPN. Wait a minute to be connected. Scanned. Yes, it's now connected. You can go back on OpenSea. OpenSea.io is the official site. After opening, you can see the whole collection of most of the collections are in here, from peoples which they are minted their NFTs. You can see this is Arbitrum OBC's NFT, which with a volume of 61 Ethereum, and the price of current Ethereum is like $2,000 for right now. And let's see what is the price right now. It is $1,873 currently on the market, uh, in euro. Okay, you can buy it right now if you want. You can see different NFTs in here, different collections from different peoples. And also the NFT markets works like a person come and create some things. It is like a digital art, and they mint and they will leave it on this site, sites like OpenSea or also other blockchains and other exchange markets or collections market. And after that they will see the price, which this is the price. You can buy it, and you can start collecting these NFTs. You can create a collections of NFTs, then you can sell it in more prices. And so like the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, it has also some difference in the price every time. It is going up and going down sometimes, and they have also market, and the difference between crypto and NFTs is like some things which it has digital art, which is the sponsor of the value, and the cryptocurrency is cryptography, which is all coded and programs which are running on a blockchain. So it will look so cool. If you want, you can start collecting NFTs. For example, I'd like to see another dreams NFTs. Another dream. can search it on Google, it will lead you to here. It's fair, I think. NFTs. Search for and go to OpenSea link. You can see the official uh, profile of another team. It's a TikToker which is so popular. You can see here the NFTs prices. Airdor space, airdor space. Show that. Wow, this is cool. You can see all the NFTs. This guy is so rich, I think. Collected. That's 20 collected NFTs and there's collections. You can see the price in here. It is chained by Ethereum. You can see everything. So if you wanna see any NFTs of any person, you can search for and come in this site OpenSea.io and then you will see all the NFTs of them. This was our today's videos about NFTs. If you like something like these videos, you can just easily comment me and tell me what kind of videos you like to I upload. And goodbye for right now.